Hazrat Ibn Shihab narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said, when the emigrants came to Medina Munawwara from Makkah Mukarramah, they had nothing of their own, whereas the Ansar owned land and property. The Ansar distributed their land among them so that they might toil therein and get fruit annually thereof. Hazrat Anas' mother, Hazrat Sulaim, was also the mother of Abdullah bin Abu Talha. So Hazrat Anas' mother gifted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam some date palms, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted them to Ayman, who was manumitted by him and was the mother of Hazrat Usama bin Zaid. Ibn Shihab narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu told me, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free from the Khaybar expedition and reached Medina Munawwara, the emigrants returned the Ansar their properties which they had given to them for cultivation. So the Prophet ﷺ also returned Hazrat Anas' mother her trees, and the Prophet ﷺ granted Ayman some trees in place of them from his own garden. Yunus has reported likewise, but there is makanahunna min khalisihi. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2630.